Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you to the biggest fitness event in Calabar. It's all about health, wellness and of course pushing boundaries. We are here to soak up the energy, meet some amazing fitness enthusiasts and share this amazing experience with you. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, let's dive in. Welcome to the biggest fitness event in Calabar. This event is packed with so much energy, fun and activities for everyone. Starting off with an energetic aerobics session, participants of all ages got their heart pumping and body moving to some upbeat music. It was truly a great way to kickstart the day. Next up, we had some fast-paced badminton matches and competitive table tennis games. These activities brought out the best in players, showcasing precision, speed, and sportsmanship. The football matches between various gym houses were a major highlight. The crowd cheered enthusiastically as teams gave it their all on the field, competing for the glory and bragging rights. For those looking to focus on wellness, free blood pressure checks were available, along with an insightful workshop for the elderly. It was amazing to see the community come together for both fitness and health awareness. From snooker tables to intense tug-of-war battles, the event truly had something for everyone. The tug-of-war especially was a crowd favorite, with cheers and laughter filling the air as teams tested their strength and teamwork. It was time for my team to step up for the tug-of-war game, and as tradition dictates, the ladies went first. While I did my best to encourage and motivate them to give it their all, it was disappointing to see them fall short in the end. As their coach, I couldn't help but feel a sense of defeat. However, since the goal of this event was to have fun and build connections, I quickly shook off the disappointment. After all, they gave it their best effort. Next was the men's turn, and I knew I couldn't let my team lose on both fronts. Determined to make a difference, I decided to join in myself, leaving room for no doubt. Well, wish me luck.
Okay, start from here. Yes. Start from here, from the line, 7 steps. Okay, count. 2. After the count of 2, are you ready? Little kids, are you ready? 1, 2.
With immense energy and determination, we pulled together and emerged victorious. It was an exhilarating moment, a chance for my team to redeem itself, and we seized it with everything we had. Up next was the Tyre flip challenge, and I had chosen the strongest member of my team for this event. In the weeks leading up to today, We held training sessions to prepare her for this competition, focusing on strength, endurance, and stamina.
2, 3. Music for the background to ginger them.
The Tyre flip challenge added a dose of raw power and determination. Watching participants push their limits was both inspiring and exciting.
Ladies and gentlemen, encourage them. Clap for them. Don't just leave them now. Clap for them. I can bet you so many ladies cannot lift that tire from the ground. So many guys cannot lift that tire from the ground. These ladies don't eat shawarma. They don't eat noodles. They don't eat all this mede. They eat apple strictly. Apple.
Watching her step up to the challenge, I couldn't contain my excitement and pride as all that preparation paid off. She not only gave a stellar performance but emerged victorious, earning a gold medal for the team. It was a truly rewarding moment for us all. And of course, no event is complete without delicious food and refreshing drinks. There were plenty to go around, keeping everyone fueled and hydrated throughout the day. The event truly captured the spirit of fitness, fun, and community. It was a day to remember, filled with activities for all ages and interests.
It feels amazing to be here, and we have one of our gold medalists here. Can you say hi to the camera? So, what brought you here today?
Games and drills.
Yes, okay. How do you feel about being here?
I feel excited. It's my first time, so I got excited. So yeah, I'm happy to be here.
Okay. So apart from amongst all the games that was played, which was really exciting for you?
I wouldn't say exciting. I would say I was a little bit scared. That's flip tire because I won.
Yeah, this is our winner for Florida. She represented Miki Fitness and she gave us the medal. So once again, congratulations.
You don't know that me and my dad.
So we have another person here at the Miki Fitness event, the biggest fitness event in Calabar. So how does it feel to be here?
Feels great. I think I really had fun.
Okay, did you see the game?
Oh yeah.
Which of them did you find exciting?
Tug-of-War, always.
But you did not participate.
No, I did not. I just to have fun.
Okay.
I worked out the whole week, so today I just went to have fun and support my friends. And that's it. Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one.
It was a good one.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
This event is beyond amazing. From the energy to the incredible people, it's been such a rewarding experience. In the comment section, leave what stood out for you amongst the games and the activities. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more fitness content. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.